Ayu.
Hi.
So, what are we making today?
Today we'll be making coleslaw sandwiches. You know what? As school has started, we can also take this to school as a snack.
Wow, great. So, shall we start?
Yes. Ingredients used are 5 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage, 4 slices of white bread, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped pineapple, 2 pinches of salt, 2 pinches of sugar, 2 pinches of pepper, and some chips to go along with the sandwich.
First, we take bread.
Over here we have taken 4 slices.
And we are nice. Now, let's make the filling. For the filling, we'll be taking
5 tablespoons of finely chopped cabbage.
To this, we'll add
2 tablespoons of grated carrot.
And 1 teaspoon of
A tablespoon
1 tablespoon of finely chopped pineapple. Now we are going to add, mix it please. Now we'll add 2 pinch of
pepper,
2 pinch of salt, and 2 pinch of sugar. To this we add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now let's mix everything well. Should I help you?
Yeah.
In the meantime, you arrange the bread. Okay, now that's nice. Now let's
cut it.
Other one we'll cut in a triangle. Now let's serve it with some
Chips.
Our coleslaw sandwiches are ready. This is a perfect snack to be given to your kids in their tiffin boxes. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you'll be the first to watch newly posted videos. See you next time. Bye!